In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Hubspot CRM. To get started, log into your Clickup account. Make sure you are entering the workspace where you want this integration to be connected, since that will help keep your setup organized from the beginning. Once you are inside Clickup, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see your account avatar there. Click on it to open the account menu. From that menu, select App Center. This is where Clickup keeps its available integrations, connected apps, and other tools that can extend what your workspace can do. After the App Center opens, use the search bar to look for HubSpot. When HubSpot appears in the results, click on it to open the integration page. On the HubSpot integration page, click Manage. This will take you to the area where you can begin connecting the two platforms. Next, click Add to HubSpot. At this point, a pop-up window will appear so you can complete the connection through your HubSpot CRM account. In that pop-up, log in to your HubSpot CRM account if you are not already signed in. Be sure to use the correct account, especially if you have access to more than one HubSpot portal. After logging in, you will be asked to choose the target portal. Select the portal you want to connect to Clickup. This step is important because it determines where the integration will be active and which HubSpot environment will work with your Clickup setup. Once you have selected the correct portal, click Authorize. This gives Clickup permission to connect with HubSpot and allows the integration to be completed. After authorization is approved, the two platforms will be linked, and you can move forward with using Clickup alongside your HubSpot CRM workflow. If you do not see the pop-up right away, make sure your browser is not blocking pop-ups, since that can interrupt the connection process. It is also a good idea to double-check that you are signed into the correct Clickup workspace and HubSpot portal before authorizing, so you do not have to disconnect and repeat the setup later. That covers everything you need to know.